How many kanji do you know? Are you struggling learning kanji? I know kanji feels impossible. Thousands of characters, too many strokes, and too many readings. But here's the secret. Japanese kids learn kanji from zero. And you can learn it the same way. Welcome to Kanji Japanese. Let's learn fun and easy Japanese with a native voice. In this channel, you can learn Japanese for travel, daily conversation, while living in Japan. Today's topic is kanji. I will explain how to learn kanji, including introducing how Japanese kids learn kanji. I've published several videos, and I always use kanji instead of using hiragana like this. This is because everything is written in kanji, not hiragana, in Japan. For example, on the street food signs, at the train station, or restaurants, or even at convenience stores. I know some of you are learning hiragana, and you know all hiragana, but unfortunately you won't understand anything, even if you know hiragana. We need kanji plus hiragana, both. On average, Japanese adults use about 2,000 kanji in daily life. But I know 2,000 kanji sounds very horrible. But trust me, knowing even 200 kanji is meaningful. Japan feels completely different if you know 200 kanji. Then, why kanji feels so hard in the first place? I think this is because there are a lot of kanji. Each kanji can have multiple readings. Kanji doesn't behave like an alphabet ABCD, and also, writing has stroke rules, not just shapes. In order to write a beautiful kanji, Japanese care stroke a lot. But don't worry, Japanese kids also struggle in the beginning, and they overcome it with a very structured method. Then, how Japanese kids learn kanji? They learn around 1,000 kanji in 6 years. I mean from grade 1 to grade 6 in elementary school. I'm gonna explain 6 methods that they use. First one, memorizing the radicals. I'm not sure if you know this kanji. This is sake, alcohol. When we write sake, we have this one, and we call this one as radicals. Japanese kids learn radicals. Second one, learning readings and meanings. First, they try to memorize the readings. This kanji can be read, sake or zake or shu. And after that, they are doing writing practice using kanji trio books or apps. They write kanji many times to memorize it. And after that, they also learn homophones. For example, when we say sake, as we had before, we have this alcohol sake, but we also have salmon sake. Also for hashi, we have bridge hashi, or chopsticks hashi, or edge hashi. So we have to choose the correct kanji when we write sentences. So Japanese kids learn homophones. This is also very important. And they read aloud to memorize the kanji and the meaning and readings. And finally, they have to take the test every week to get 100 points. It's just for information, but exam in Japan, 100 points is the maximum points normally. So for kids, 100 points is very happy points. Okay, then let's move on to the biggest topic of this video. What you can borrow from Japanese kids learning method. There are 6 methods you can borrow. First one, let's start with easy kanji. N5 and N4 is the easy one, so maybe you can start here. Don't worry about difficult kanji. Even Japanese cannot write. So, let's start with easy one that Japanese use daily. For example, eki. It is station. We have tons of eki, so you will see this kanji a lot when you come to Japan. Or, hi, bi, nichi. This kanji shows day. We use this one a lot. Shio, salt. If you like ramen, If you know this kanji, that would be very helpful because you can choose shio ramen, salt ramen, if you like it, at the vending machine to buy the tickets. The second point is master 20 to 30 radicals. As I talked before, this sake alcohols has these radicals. This radical is called sanzuihen. And sanzuihen is normally means water. You know, sake is also water, so that makes sense, right? And another example is speak, this kanji. This kanji has this one and this one. And this one is radicals in this case. This is called gonben, and this one means language or speak normally. Or another example is ane, big sister. And this one, onnahen, is the radical in this case. Means woman or mind. In this case, means woman because ane means big sister. It said there are 214 radicals, but memorizing 20 to 30 is enough. So please master radicals first before learning difficult kanji. Next point is learn kanji through words. For example, when you learn this kanji is used as taberu, to eat, or tabemono, which is meal. And also this kanji, it's used as nihonshu, which is Japanese sake, or izakaya, Japanese diner. I believe you've seen these kanji, nihonshu izakaya, somewhere, if you like drinking. So don't memorize kanji alone. Learn them inside words. Okay, now, there is an app I really recommend you, MochiKanji Learn Japanese. It's designed specially for learning kanji and Japanese words, like the way Japanese kids do, but much faster and more convenient for adults. There are 5 functions in this app. First one, they have various courses and topics. With hundreds of lessons and over 8,000 words in kanji, MochiKanji covers JLPT levels N5 to N2, as well as specialized topics like IT services and nursing, Minna no Nihongo, and Genki. Lessons are divided into manageable chunks, with each level offering 800 to 900 kanji and vocabulary in lesson of about 10 words each. Second one, learn via flashcards. Each word is learned through flashcards, including furigana audio images and example sentences. The app also offers interesting quizzes for each new word to help you remember words more easily. When the time is up, it's time to review. MochiKanji offers various reviewing quizzes, including reading, writing, and listening. So you can review words thoroughly. Third function is Golden Time Notification. Why do I introduce this app? As MochiKanji is a powerful space repetition app designed to help you efficiently master kanji and vocabulary. The app customizes its recommendation based on level and goals, offering courses tailored to your interest or exam preparation. Its standout feature, Golden Time, optimizes your review schedule based on your learning history. So instead of writing each kanji 20 times, you review only when you actually need it. Fourth function, practice stroke order naturally. The special point of MochiKanji is that it lets you learn kanji characters from kanji N5 to N2 Joyo Kanji courses. At this tab, you learn kanji via mnemonic-related vocabulary and stroke order with detailed instructions. Just like kids learn proper stroke order from the beginning. MochiKanji lets you trace each kanji with your finger. It guides you through each stroke, so you build muscle memory without a notebook. The last point is J-Dictionary. If you encounter some new words, you can search them on MochiKanji and save them for review later. If you want to practice kanji more efficiently and with the same structure Japanese kids use, This app is definitely worth trying. I put the link on the description and comment, so please try it now. Or you can find the app on App Store or Google Play and its website by searching MochiKanji. Okay, then let's go back to how we can learn kanji. The first point is memorize with simple sentences. When learning kanji, it's easier if we memorize it with a phrase, not only one letter. For example, when we learn this kanji means sea, we can make a phrase like, 私は海が好きです. I like sea. Or, when we learn this kanji, sister, actually this is little sister. 妹は20歳です. My sister is 20 years old. Maybe it's easier if you make a phrase which is related to yourself. And to make sure it's correct, you can check this sentence on ChatGPT. Okay, then fifth point is learn homophones. As I talked before, we need to know homophones when we learn kanji. For example, when we say hashi, actually there are 3 kanji for hashi: bridge hash, chopsticks hash, and edge hash. In Japanese distinguish this meaning by kanji. You can learn these homophones using smartphone. If you set up the Japanese keyboards, when you type kana, means hiragana, the smartphone shows you some candidates of kanji, so you can learn homophones. This is on PC, but when we type hashi, like that, then you will see the candidates of the kanji. So as I said before, hashi has 3 kanji. So Japanese choose the correct one when we type kanji on PC or smartphone. So you can utilize this function when you learn kanji, especially for homophones. Okay, then let's move on to 5th point. Practice and review regularly. When learning kanji, don't rely on endless writing. Instead, use spaced repetition. Our brain remembers information better when it's reviewed at increasing intervals. This means you can learn more kanji in less time and remember them longer. Spaced repetition turns studying from trying repetition, from tiring repetition into efficient memory training. So, kanji isn't about memorizing thousands of characters. It's about learning patterns the same way Japanese kids do. Learning kanji is fun. If you have any concerns about learning kanji, let me know in the comments. This is the announcement. I've just released a restaurant Japanese phrase. There are 3 PDF plus audio pack on Coffee. We have restaurant reservation dialogue, essential dining phrases, and izakaya drink guide. If you have this, you can check these phrases on any devices, even smartphone, during your trip. If you'd like to check it out, please come to the link on the description and comment. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. It would be appreciated if you like this video and subscribe this channel for new videos. Then see you at the next video. Bye bye. さようなら.